Hello everyone, I'm Lisa. Today, I will make Hello Kitty house with a piano.
Let me play piano for you.
Okay, let's get started. This house will be full of pink. Bordering with pink line. First, I will make a bathroom. With this white clay, I will turn into a toilet. Just cut. Ensemble few pieces of white and pink. Don't forget the pink lid. We also making texture around it. Button and body. Thank you, Kitty. Cut this piece into rectangle box, then put on two other small ones. Take blue flower beads to be a knob. We got a cute cabinet. Mixing blue and white so we can have a granite color. Surround with white string and make texture. We will put this on top of the cabinet. Kitty mirror. Our sink will make from white clay and yellow bead. Recycle straw to make a faucet. Our bathroom just finished. It's so adorable when it goes with see-through doors and slippers. To go up to the bathroom, we need stairs. Take all size of cardboard and place it here. Make rainbow color of it from colorful foam. Under the stairs, there will be a fridge. Ensemble all pieces of Formex and cover it with pink clay. We doing same with the door. Separate into two parts. And more pink clay and white string. This will be the perfect door for the fridge. Gold copper for handles. Body sticker for decorate. Next is a cabinet for the kitchen. Ensemble cardboard and cover with light pink paper. Adding 3 doors. This is how to turn swab into handles. Simple cabinet. Now I will show you how to make a counter with a sink. For the gas stove, use black foam. Curved copper to make these. 2 controllers. I will make a table with oval shape. Recycle bottles cap to make a stand. Pink lace around. Now we need chairs. Using round purple clay and print on it. Surround with purple string and make texture. using pearls and flower for stand. Kitty back. This kitchen is so cute with dining spot. On second floor, that will be a place for bedroom. Using cardboard and pink clay to make a bed. Cut out the excess border. Very simple with 2 materials. Time to make headboard. Using utility knife to cut following the line we just draw. Print on, then use silver beads to decorate. Bordering with white string and making texture. Rainbow Bounty. This piece will be our blanket. This white piece is used as a border line. Adding golden string. The nightstand also made from pink clay. Golden pearls for legs.
This cake is so yummy. This bed is so comfortable. I love it.
Kitty is happy with her bedroom. Now it's time for the thing you are waiting for, the piano. We use big cardboard, then cover with white paper, ensemble formex, and keyboard. We need a chair to sit on and play. Making texture for the cushion. This polygon bead will be the chair's leg. Border with pink. Awesome, Kitty! I didn't know Kitty can play piano. The last room is a living room. Cut out the excess border. I will make a sofa with cardboard and clay. There will be 2 main parts, the seat and the back. The back got a shape of giant bounty. Adding cushions. Choosing pink pearls to be a legs. This sofa looks so cool. Small table will be in the front. It got the kitty's head. Printing kitty face on. The stand will make from yellow paper. Follow my steps. Pearl chain bordering around. The Kitty S miniature house is completed. Let's take take a look at our result.
Good morning. What do you think about my bed? Moon and star pillows are my friends. This sofa is so comfortable. Do you know how to play piano? I can teach you.
Thank you for watching my video. If you have any idea, please let me know by comment below. I really want to listen to your opinion.